Hi guys, in this video we will see how to update an app on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. If you want to update an particular app, then here are the process. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy phone. You may apply this method for all Samsung Galaxy phone. Here look for the app settings. Tap on apps. Tap on app settings. Here choose the apps which you want to update. Simply scroll down and tap on app details to store in a store. And here you will further proceed to Google Play Store and here tap on update to update an app particularly. If you want to update all apps in your Samsung Galaxy app, then go to Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose manage apps. Tap on it and here choose available update available, and if you choose update all your apps will be updated in one tap. And if you want to individually update any app, then simply tap on update against each app and accordingly your Samsung app will be updated.